Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified weaved in Kadwa weaved booties of pure antique zari. You can see this is pure antique zari, bright red with bottle green. The rich pallu and blouse is plain with border, same as the sari. This is the after drip of the sari. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza weaved in pure antique zari with the Kadwa weaved bootas all over. Silk marked certified. The rich pallu with the blouse plain with border of Rani color. This is the combination of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified weaved in pure antique zari. The beautiful motifs of Kari design. This is the pallu portion and this is the blouse piece. Pure antique zari Kadwa weaving. You can see the back side fully Kadwa weaved. This is the look of the Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified deep bottle green color with red border weaved in pure antique zari. The Kadwa weaved bootas. The rich pallu with the blouse plain with border. This border will come on the blouse. This is the blouse. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified weaved in pure Kadwa weaved booties and border of pure antique zari. This is, you can see this is not lacha zari, this is antique zari pure with the Kadwa weaved bootas. Silk marked certified. Beautiful pastel shade. See. The rich pallu with the blouse plain with border. This is turquoise green color. The look of the sari. Handloom Kora organza silk marked certified. Beautiful Sona Rupa motifs. This is the satin patta border. The zari work is less. That's why the price is less. You can feel the motifs. The rich pallu with the blouse in lining. One silver, one gold lining. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified weaved in golden zari and Sona Rupa zari booties. The premium quality 4-ply Kora. You can see the fabric quality, very heavy quality sari. This is the look of the sari with the latest Konya border. See the rich pallu with the Konya design on the pallu. This looks very beautiful, very pretty look this gives with the blouse plain with border. This is the blouse piece and whole look of the sari. Banarsi premium quality Kora organza silk marked certified fully gold zari weaved with silver zari in the small motifs. You can see in every boota you will get Sona Rupa and the golden zari border. Beautiful pastel shade. The rich pallu with the blouse plain with border. Border will be same as the sari. This is the blouse border. This is the look of the whole sari. A very beautiful golden and silver zari Sona Rupa weaved Kora on 4-ply with the golden zari. Beautiful border. Very beautiful pastel pink. The most demanding color of summers. The rich palla with the blouse plain with border. This is the look of the sari. You can see the fineness of the weaving with the one boota in silver and one boota is in gold. Very rich sari. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza weaved on 4-ply very heavy fabric with the Sona Rupa bootas and golden zari border. This is premium quality sari. we can't compare it with the normal ones. Yeah, these are premium quality sarees. See, the heaviness of the fabric, you can feel the border. The rich palla with the blouse plain with border, contrast color. Very beautiful deep magentaish wine color this is. The body color is deep magenta लिया हुआ wine है, और इसका border आएगा leafy green. Very beautiful combination. This is the silk mark certified. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk mark certified. Satin patta border with the Sona Rupa motifs. Blouse की lining का reflection आ रहा है. This is the pallu portion with the blouse in silver and gold lining. Whole sari from starting to end have these buttas. Ready to dispatch. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk mark certified, weaved in pure golden zari border. This is proper golden zari border with the konya design and small Sona Rupa booties, one in silver, one in gold. Booties all over. Upper and lower both borders are equal. The rich pallu and blouse is plain with border. Very beautiful traditional look sari. Very lovely.